Good afternoon, students. So today which topic we learnt? We learnt the gender. And in gender, what I taught you? I taught you that brother. Brother means he is a boy. Sister. Sister means she is a girl. And toy. Toy means it is a thing. So, brother and sister, they both are living things? Yes, they both are living things. But toy. Is toy a living thing? No. Toy is not a living thing. So, we call brother means a boy as male, and a sister, which is a girl, is called as female. And brother is male, that's why we call it as masculine gender. Then sister is a girl, that means it is a female person, so we call it as feminine gender. And toy. Toy is not a male and not a female, means toy is not a boy and toy is not a girl, that's why it is called as neuter gender. It is non-living thing. Can toy talk? No. Can it walk? No. But sister and brother means boy and girl. They can walk, talk, eat, sleep. But toy, it is a non-living thing. It cannot move. That's why brother is a masculine gender, sister is a feminine gender, and toy. Toy is a neuter gender. Toy is a neuter gender. Now, what is boy? Boy is a masculine gender. Girl is a feminine gender. And thing is neuter. So now we'll classify the following. First we'll write all the masculine genders. Now we'll just write M in front of the things. Person or boy, girl. Okay. Table. What is table? Table is neuter gender. Pen. Pen is neuter gender. Gander. Gander is masculine. Shepherd. Shepherd is masculine. Pillow. Pillow is a thing. That's why it is neuter. Mother. Mother is a girl. That's why she is a feminine. TV. TV is a thing, that's why it is neuter. Heroine. She is a girl, that's why it is feminine gender. Box. Box is thing, that's why it is neuter gender. Princess. She is a girl, that's why it is a feminine gender. Priest. He is a boy, that's why it is masculine gender. Mare. Mare means she is a female horse, that's why we will write feminine. Cock. Cock is female, that's why we will call it as feminine gender. Sorry, cock is masculine. Cock is masculine, means it is a male. Uncle. Uncle is a boy, that's why he is a male. Cow. Cow gives milk. Okay, who gives us milk? Cow. So it is a feminine gender. So here they have written masculine, feminine and neuter. So we are just going to write what is masculine, feminine and neuter. 1. Table. What it is? Neuter. So we will write table over here. Then number 2. Mother. Mother is a feminine gender, that's why we'll write mother over here. MOTHER. Mother. Then next, priest. Priest is a male, that's why we'll write in masculine gender. PRIEST. Priest. So in the same way, this remaining 1 to 15 you are going to write it over here. Now we'll see this. Fill in the blanks with the masculine or the feminine gender from the list given below. So here there is the list of answers. We'll just read it out. Poet, actor, waiter, man, queen, lady, niece, witch. So king and queen, king and queen. Next, gentleman and lady, gentleman and lady. Dash and woman, man and woman. Next, wizard. This wizard means magic man. And who is she? Witch. She is a witch. Witch means चुड़ैल. आप बोलते हो ना चुड़ैल. So चुड़ैल means witch. Dash and waitress. Waiter and waitress. Next, where is the actor? Yes, actor and actress. Actor and actress. Next, poet. Poet dash and poetess. Dash and poetess. Poetess means the one who writes poem. She writes poem, so he also writes poem. So who is he? He is a poet. Poet means the person who writes poem. Next, nephew and dash. Nephew and niece. Nephew and niece. Nephew and niece means your mother's brother. Okay, means your uncle. Your uncle's children are the niece and nephew of your mother. Okay, so students, in today's lecture what we learned about gender. So solve the worksheet as I have shown you and watch the video. We'll meet in the next online session with a new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.